What is atrial fibrillation? Well, that is an interesting topic. It has a lot to do with the electrical signals going on in your heart. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Hey, this is Lance McGowan, the Tropical Smoothie Guy, and we're going to cover AFib or AF for short in the next section. So let's do it.
Hey, this is Lance, and today we're going to talk about atrial fibrillation, also known as AFib or AF. And this is when there's some quivering or irregular heartbeat, also known as arrhythmia, that can lead to stroke and other heart-related complications. So, in atrial fibrillation, the upper chambers of the heart or the atria beat irregularly and quiver instead of beating effectively to move blood into the ventricles. And so some important things on this diagram: the conduction system of the heart is to note the SA node, which is right here, as well as the AV node. When we look at a normal heartbeat, a normal sinus rhythm starts in the sinoatrial SA node and spreads down to the atrioventricle AV node. As the atria contract and force blood into the ventricles then contract and pump blood out of the heart as electrical signals reach ventricle muscle cells. The representation here is a normal rhythm of 60 beats per minute. So you can see here the SA node and the AV node helping the heart to contract normally, which you see the signal up here up top. The next diagram here is going to show atrial fibrillation. So this is where irregular electrical signals disrupt the normal conduction between the SA and AV nodes and cause the atria to quiver. This prevents them from effectively moving blood into the ventricles, and it can lead to stroke or other heart-related complications. And so you can see the signal here is a lot more erratic and less stable, which isn't good for blood flow or circulation.
The conduction system of the heart is very interesting because there's a lot going on, right? There's electrical signals that are needing to be made in order for the heart to properly pump and get it to where it needs to in the rest of the body. And so if any one of those is off, it causes the heart to, have an irregular pattern, and that can cause a whole bunch of health issues. So we want to make sure our heart is operating normally and getting the blood flow in and out. And it's, just like anything, there has to be good transitions from one area to another. And blood flow circulation is something I talk about a lot because when you have really good blood flow, it helps with oxygen and nutrients getting inside your red blood cells. And then those are like little vehicles that carry to different parts of your body and organs. It also helps with getting the metabolic waste outside of it. So there's a number of natural solutions that you can do to help in that area.